Traders Todd here with the VPT Futures Tuesday, October 7th recap. Couple of quickies. Gold has rallied back into previous structure resistance. 1211, 1215 handle right here is going to be a key price point. I'll be looking for short entries. Fib retracement, that was the swing high that preceded the decline to that new structure low. Last week we did our projections. We said if gold takes out my dynamic support levels, then we projected 96s and 86s. We rolled over and we went as low as 83.40. So we went about 2.5 points through this level right here, stopped on a dime and had a V bottom recovery right back into the 618, 786 retracement. So I'll be looking for this guy to roll back over and take a move back into these lows. Now, S&P selling off pretty strong. You see that gold closed. We'll see if gold pops a little flight to quality with that S&P sell-off. So, again, tomorrow morning we'll be looking at the 1211 to 1215. I will want to see a qualified sell signal here with extended targets 1185. If we don't get a qualified sell and it pops, then my next level right here will be around the 1225, this dynamic resistance zone, 1222. Number two, let's go take a look at the crude oil market. Crude went completely sideways. We had our qualified sell signals last week here. We came down, immediately hit the first target. Our 1618 projection at the 88.31 held the lows. And now you see we've rolled back over. So we'll look for long entries, 88.30 to 50 tomorrow. These are more aggressive. This is a sell right here with trend we talked about last week. This will be a counter trend buy. If we do get a buy signal and a long entry, then we'll look for 950s on partial and let the balance run. Crude oil, let's go take a look. Dow Jones closing near its lows. Actually about 4 days ago, we did our projections. Again, we always look at our dynamic support levels. If we break below, then we run our projections. So we projected 1676s and the 650s right here. We drove through the 650s, reversed, came right back up, and there was our beautiful SOS4 sell signal. So from that sell, we've rolled all the way back over, and tomorrow morning, if we gap lower, we'll be looking at the 16.6 for buy signals. We're going to buy SPY calls, and we're already long QQQ calls as well. So we're long the calls right now as we moved into the close at about 240. Let's take a look. NASDAQ. There was our sell signal that we looked at last week. Target 1 attained. Target 2 attained, all flat. Rallied back right here. Short signal right there. Again, extended targets all attained when we rolled down and hit this dynamic support zone. We already bought the QQQ calls. If we come down in our NASDAQ futures trades to 37 to 30s right in this area, we'll buy more QQQ calls, as well as swing trade buy signals down here. They have to be qualified signals, but that 39.30 to 40 zone, really nice support. S&P 500. Same exact thing. I didn't quite get back to my dynamic resistance level. We wanted to sell 75s and 77s. Didn't get there. Okay, so we rolled back over. We were looking for a potential buy signal at the 618, 786. Instead, you see they're likely to come right back down. We should see this rollover possibly go test those lows in the Globex session. So really, really nice directional movement today. The majority of it taking place near the close. You can see the last 2 hours, the breakdown from 39. We traveled all the way to 26. So 70% average true range was covered in the last 2 hours. And then finally in the VPT live day trading room, right there's the mini Russell. I've got my cluster trader automated strategy running right here on our 200 tick chart. Today, just about 2 hours, we did 930 bucks trading a 2-lot. You can register on this page. Make sure you come and see us live and real time VPT live. See you at the next update.